Good day there. Today I'll be taking some measurements on my 9-inch Ryobi bandsaw and be using it to quickly design a rip fence. The file will be available in the description below for anyone to freely use. I'll take the measurements on into CAD software and I'll make it just 0.5 millimeter bigger so it snaps on tightly. I'll add a back, and to make the fence self-squaring I'll add these long sides that'll butt up 90 degrees against the tool. All that's left to do is to print it and see if it snaps on. The fit seems to be nice and snug, but not too tight that you can't get it on. Placing a block beside it, the long sides seem to keep the fence nice and square. And while it does feel pretty snug, a clamp can be added on the side. And now let's rip some little pieces through and see if it works. And alright, there we have it. A nice little self-squaring fence for a 9-inch Ryobi bandsaw, and as always the file will be freely available in the description below. Thank you for watching.